To enable walk-away door lock via your Tesla's touchscreen, navigate to Controls, then Vehicle, and finally Locks. Here, you'll find the walk-away door lock toggle. Switch it on. You can also customize the walk-away delay, the time, e.g. 5 to 30 seconds, before the doors lock after you move away. Choose a delay that suits your typical departure speed. You can also enable and configure walk-away door lock through the Tesla app. Start by opening the app and navigating to the Controls section. From Controls, select the Vehicle option to access vehicle settings. Then find and select Enable Walkaway Lock to activate the feature. Toggle the switch to turn on walkaway door lock, giving you convenient remote control of your car's locking features. Once enabled, the feature works seamlessly in the background. Remember to keep your app updated to the latest version for optimal performance and security. The Tesla app is compatible with iOS 18 and later, as well as Android 14 and later. The walkaway door lock feature requires a paired Tesla key, either a phone or key card, to be within range initially. This ensures only authorized devices can trigger the locking mechanism. The system works with multiple keys, allowing family members or additional devices to access the vehicle. However, it prioritizes the primary key, which is typically the first one paired with your Tesla account. For the feature to function properly, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled and the Tesla app has the necessary permissions for location and Bluetooth access. These settings allow the vehicle to detect your device's proximity. A charged phone is crucial for the walkaway door lock to work effectively. A low battery can disable the auto-locking feature, potentially leaving your vehicle vulnerable. Walkaway door lock enhances security by preventing relay attacks, where thieves amplify signals to unlock cars from a distance. It incorporates rolling encryption codes that change with each use, preventing thieves from reusing captured signals. The feature integrates with Tesla's Sentry mode for added surveillance, activating cameras and alarms when the vehicle detects potential threats. Using walkaway lock correlates with a 35% reduction in reported theft claims, with 1.2 million incidents prevented globally since 2020. Walkaway lock doesn't work if the car is in camp mode. Camp mode keeps the vehicle awake for camping purposes, and walkaway lock is disabled in this state to prevent accidental locking while you're nearby. Walkaway lock also doesn't activate if the key is left inside the vehicle. The system detects the key's presence and prevents auto-locking to avoid locking you out. Always remove your key or phone before walking away. The feature may experience glitches in areas with dense Wi-Fi signals or due to signal jamming. This can disrupt Bluetooth communication between your key and the vehicle. If this happens, try moving to a clearer area or restarting the connection. If you encounter any of these issues, the first step is to ensure your Tesla software is up to date. Tesla regularly releases patches via over-the-air updates to fix bugs and improve reliability. A 2025 recall addressed a specific bug where walkaway lock failed to activate in extreme cold conditions below -20 degrees Celsius. Tesla released a software patch to resolve this issue. Make sure your vehicle is updated to avoid this problem in cold weather. For optimal security with walkaway door lock, enable notifications for lock events in the Tesla app. This alerts you immediately when doors auto-lock, helping you verify the feature is working and detect any unusual activity. Use Tesla's PIN to drive feature for added theft deterrence. This requires entering a 4-digit PIN before driving, preventing thieves from using stolen keys or devices. Set it up in the vehicle settings or app for maximum protection. Combine walkaway door lock with other Tesla security features like alarm mode. Alarm mode uses cameras and sensors to monitor your vehicle, alerting you and authorities to potential threats. Enable both through the security settings for comprehensive protection. Be aware of your surroundings, especially in high theft areas. Avoid leaving valuables visible and park in well-lit, secure locations. Walkaway door lock provides automatic security, but personal vigilance remains essential for complete protection. Looking ahead, Tesla's full self-driving supervised version 6.0, expected in 2026, will incorporate predictive locking based on user behavior patterns using machine learning to anticipate departures. Integration with biometric keys, such as facial recognition via cabin cameras, is rumored for 2027 models, potentially phasing out physical keys entirely. Broader trends include convergence with smart home ecosystems, such as integration with Amazon Alexa and Google Home for remote locking and vehicle control. By 2030, proximity locks could become standard in 90% of new EVs, with Tesla's model influencing global standards.